Buffalo River Restoration Partnership is a local, state, federal, and nonprofit and private partnership with the collective goal of restoring the Buffalo River area of concern by remediating contaminated sediments and developing habitat within the area of concern. The ultimate goal is to delist that area. Corps of Engineers' role in the Buffalo River Restoration Partnership is threefold. The first role of the Corps is to provide strategic navigation dredging of the Federal Navigation Channel in 2011 that will contribute to the delisting of the area of concern. The second role that we provide to U.S. EPA is in the form of risk assessment, toxicology, environmental analysis, and public outreach, in addition to other administrative support that we provide to them. The third role that the Corps plays is to provide a location that is prepared to accept the contaminated sediments that are going to be disposed of from both projects.
The primary components of the Buffalo Remediation Project are two dredging contracts that will be performed in the river. The first dredging contract will be administered by the Army Corps of Engineers, and that will be performed in 2011, where we'll be dredging 600,000 cubic yards of contaminated soil from the limits of the navigation channel. The second contract will be administered by the U.S. EPA, and that's currently scheduled to be completed in 2012. And under that contract, they plan to dredge approximately 400,000 cubic yards of material. So between the two contracts, we will have dredged nearly 1 million cubic yards of contaminated sediment from the Buffalo River. Now, the plan for all of those sediments is that we will take those sediments and place them in a confined disposal facility, which is located in Buffalo's outer harbor. And that facility was specifically designed to take contaminated dredged material. During the initial design stages of the remediation project, we realized our confined disposal facility needed some repairs to make that facility ready for the dredged material. The first repair project that we had was a repair to the perimeter wall of the confined disposal facility. And when we went through the design for that repair, we realized that using conventional techniques, it would cost about $9 million and take 2 years to complete the work. And that, both that schedule and that cost was not compatible with our GLRI project. So the project team went back to the drawing board again, took another look at how to repair that wall, and we came up with a plan to use a innovative pressure grouting technique to make the repairs. And that project was subsequently completed in 1 year at a cost of $2.6 million, which saved the project and the taxpayer $6.4 million.
The second phase of the repairs to the CDF is a berm raising project along the backside, along Stony Point breakwater. And what this project will do is to prevent contaminated sediments from leaving the CDF during storm and high water events. And that project will take place concurrently with dredging operations in 2011 and will be completed prior to completion of that dredging. The Corps of Engineers is very excited to be working with the partnership towards the environmental restoration of the Buffalo River. It's truly a model for interagency and stakeholder collaboration.